few simple tips and tricks. Joining us now for how to make the magic happen in one little bag is personal stylist and fashion coach Dani. How did you know I needed this today?
I needed it. I just went to Spain and this is what I took. It was 10 days and I'm thinking, okay, it's simple to do flip-flops, swimming suits, cover-ups. Like for warm vacation, it's easy to do it in a carry-on, relatively, right?
Summer travel is a different story.
Yeah, exactly. But winter travel, like if you need coats and things like that, yeah, that can be a challenge. So the tip, your number one tip, start with your shoes. And they need to be comfortable because the worst thing is for you to get on vacation and have blisters and achy, breaky feet,
Dani,
right?
do I wear my biggest shoe onto the flight?
Well, that's what I do.
Is that what you do?
Yeah. I'll wear my bulkier things on the flight. So something like this that's, you know, it's big and chunky, it's going to take up some space. I might wear this. Also, it's really easy to take on and off if I'm going through TSA.
Did you walk in those in Spain?
Yeah.
Did you use, and those are comfy?
But these might be my dress-up shoe. The other shoes that I wore a ton.
Oh, I should back up so you can see the ones over here.
Are these. So we went to the opera, we went to church, and then we're walking all day. Who knows if it's gonna rain? So this is what I brought because I can dress it up a little bit. So I could dress it up with a cute skirt. I can wear it with these waxed cotton leather looking pants. So that's kind of where you start is your shoes, and then what clothes are going to coordinate with those shoes.
It's the versatility of the shoe. Like how many things will it go with?
Exactly. Because these take up space in your suitcase. So I try to take 3 pairs of shoes, and those are going to take up basically 1/2 of the suitcase.
All right, we start with our shoes. Let me put this back for you. What do we do next?
And then we're going to create 3 to 5 easy pieces that go with each pair of shoes. So I have 2 clusters here. I have a dressy one. Those all go with those shoes. And so I'm gonna start with an inspiration piece. Based on those shoes, what could I wear with those? This. So what are the colors in this that I can create 5 to 8 easy pieces with? And so that's 3 bottoms, at least 4 tops, 1 jacket.
How long were you there?
10 days.
10 days.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a good amount of time. So you're wearing a couple things twice or 3 times.
Yes, I am. And I might take laundry detergent if I need it. Another tip is to have something like this. This is a Rana. It's shaped like, like this. Also, it coordinates with those shoes. This is what I wore on the plane, and then I threw this over the top. So when it gets freezing cold on the plane, I can take this and wear it as a blanket.
It's like a blanket, I was going to say. Definitely.
Yeah.
But you got the turtleneck.
I've got the turtleneck.
Which goes with anything.
Yeah, and the leather jackets are huge right now. I'm seeing them everywhere. So I pulled out my leather jacket so I can wear the leather jacket, that turtleneck with this skirt and the boots. I can do those pants. They've got zipper pockets, so they're easy to put a passport in at the airport.
All right, let's talk jeans.
Okay.
Because you brought those too.
And then this is my second group of clothes. So this is more casual. Second shoes inspiration, and again, I mean, they're sneakers, but they're platforms, so they're, you know, like my cute sneakers. If you are in Europe and you see this store called Tamaris, go into it. You can't get them in the States.
You can't get those? All right, that's a good tip.
So Tamaris, and they kind of have them in every tourist area in Europe, in every, you know, central city.
Do you see the layering, though, that you've done here? I mean, you could put that on top of the t-shirt.
Thank you.
Yes.
So that's the other biggest point is everything you need to be able to layer. So I didn't take a big, heavy coat, but I was fine in 40 to 60 degree weather. It went from the 40s to the 60s because everything I can layer. I could wear this, under this, under this.
You also have the gloves, and you have the hat.
Yeah, and I could throw that on top if I needed to.
Can I just take all this on my trip?
Yeah. Okay, so all of the links are on my website, literally. You could get on my website, stylebydani.com/blog, and there are links to everything.
Not only that, you still help people shop.
Yeah.
If you need a personal shopper out there, if you're thinking you have a big event coming up. Will you also show, by the way, stylebydani.com. It's on your screen. Also on our website at abc4.com/GTU. Roll that guy over here because you packed everything you see here in this.
Yep. Yeah. And another big key point, put the things that you're going to need for your first day on vacation in this bag. So your makeup, your shoes for the next day, your outfit, a change of underwear, put it in this so that when you get to that gate and they say, oh, we need you to check your bag.
That happens.
Yeah, it happens a lot.
You keep this
so yeah, you check this, you take this with you, and so you're not stuck that first couple days of vacation, because that has happened a lot. And it helps, yes, that you can monitor where your bag is, but it's even more excruciating when you can see that your bag is like a couple miles away and you can do nothing to get it.
Do you see how this fits right on there too? I just showed that. Dani, did you post about this bag?
This is on my website also.
All right, please go check it out if you are traveling. I love it. These are great tips. I needed them. Saray, I know, you know I'm traveling, so I'm going to copy everything she's doing here.
And you are set. I love all the tips. That's amazing. Okay.